Hey, greetings, my good inky friends. How's everybody doing today? Today is a marvelous Friday. Friday the what? 8th, yes, of May. So, hey, pin mail stuff today came in today all at one time. Isn't that cool? Yes, Christmas in May. Can't beat that with a stick. So, let's get it opened up. And we're going to do from Big Bad Brad at AB Rustic Relics. And there you see the packages, how he does them in on the back. I like the decorations he does, and on the envelopes how they have the pictures of the pins and some words he puts on there in AB Rustic Relics. So okay, Brad, got the stuff I ordered, so let's get to digging into these cool pins. Now, I am working on reviews, and I've got plenty of work ahead of me, and I've been real busy, and that's how you get a hold of AB Rustic Relics, okay? Right there. Check him out on eBay. You're looking for a Parker? He's got you covered. Alright, so got the paperwork with us about the Parker pins. There's 2 in here, I believe. I do love Parker pins, I really do. Parker, Schaefer, Esterbrook, wherever. Waterman. Just a few of my favorites. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Yep, there are 2. Alrighty. Alright, folks, we're almost there. Almost there. Bear with me. Well, today was an icky day. It's kind of chilly, windy, raining. Ugh. It's just a very depressing day today. Tomorrow's going to be icky day too. In the mornings anyway. So, here we go. And here is one of them. And this is a Parker. So I'm going to put that down here for now. And let's get the other one going on. Here we go. All right. And here's the other one. Isn't that beautiful? Would you like to give the name of that, Mr. Announcer? I'll throw all this away in the clip.
Scripto.
Yes. Really a beautiful pen. I've got to give all these pens a polishing. That's for sure.
This also says USA 100 on it.
I have to check all that stuff out. Yep. So it's going to be interesting. A lot of homework to do. So, I'm just going to set these over here for now so I won't lose them. Bag number 2. From, again, AB Rustic Relic. Okay. No, it's just me. Alright. Here we go. Okay, so here we have the
Platinum.
Yeah, not a platinum, but a platinum and a
Parker.
Right. So, this is not a platinum, remember now. Okay, so, and we'll be reviewing those later. So, that's going to take care of those. All right. as we move on. Still more to come. Here we go. Alrighty. Here we go. Something's in there. Well, then I'll just go ahead and take this off. And there we go. And this is a Schaefer right there. Okay. All right, we're almost done. And we got one more big one. Fragile. And I purchased this from my good friend, the old Federalist Pen and Paper, from Frank. So Frank, here it is. And we'll get this to opening and show you what's on the inside. A lot of cool stuff's in here. First, we got some sample ink going on, some Monteverde stuff, and got another of the California Teal, the Monteverde, and I'll be showing you what they look like on paper. And now, alright, so I'll get that out, I'll get this out. Okay, when I saw it at Frank's store at the Federalist Pens, Monteverde, when I saw it, right then and then I said, that's mine. I have to have it. I really enjoy the Monteverde fountain pens, and I really enjoy this line of pens. Let me show you what it is. Here we go. There it is. Is that not a gorgeous, the giant Monteverde Giant Sequoia in her turquoise finish? Beautiful, is it not? Gorgeous fountain pen. Wow, had to have it. And again, I will be reviewing it down the road. Let me just put this up for now. Let's set that aside. Now, here's the other one. The Esterbrook. And let's open it up. Look at this beautiful fountain pen. Isn't that gorgeous? Really a gorgeous pen. And it does come with a cartridge, and I will be definitely reviewing this, ink it up, show you how it writes, and it will be something to watch. Beautiful fountain pen from Esterbrook. Alrighty. Well, that's going to wrap it up, my friends. That's it for Larry's Pen Mill today on Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. Till next time, stay healthy, stay safe, wash some hands as well. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.